Depression can feel like carrying a weight you didn't ask for. Some days it makes even getting out of bed feel impossible. But what if you could start taking small steps to feel better, even when everything seems heavy? In this video, we'll talk about practical ways to cope with depression, understand it, and start reclaiming your life, one step at a time. Before we dive in, know this: depression is not a weakness. It's a medical condition that affects your brain, your emotions, and your body. You're not failing. You're not alone. Millions of people face the same struggle. Today, we'll break it down into clear, actionable steps. Step 1. Acknowledge it. The first thing you need to do is acknowledge what's happening. Depression often lies to you, making you feel guilty or ashamed. It whispers that you're useless or that nobody cares. That's the illness talking, not the truth. Start by naming it. I am struggling with depression. Saying it aloud, writing it down, or telling someone you trust can be a powerful first step. Awareness is the foundation for change. Step 2. Talk to someone. Depression thrives in isolation. Reaching out may feel impossible, but talking is crucial. You don't have to explain everything perfectly. Sometimes just saying, "I'm not okay," is enough. Trusted friends, family members, or a mental health professional can provide perspective, support, and accountability. Even online communities or hotlines can help if talking in person feels too difficult. You are not a burden, your feelings matter. Step 3. Small actions, big impact. When depressed, even simple tasks can feel overwhelming. Lower the bar for yourself. Focus on tiny, achievable steps. Take a shower, drink water, step outside for a few minutes. These may seem small, but small wins compound. Each tiny step builds momentum, and over time, they help your mind remember it is capable of action again. Step 4. Take care of your body. Your body and mind are deeply connected. Sleep, nutrition, and movement can't cure depression, but they make it easier to cope. Try to sleep at roughly the same time, eat regularly even if it's just small portions, and move your body a little each day. You're not doing this to fix yourself instantly. You're supporting yourself. Step 5. Challenge negative thoughts. Depression changes the way you see yourself. Your inner voice may call you worthless or hopeless. Instead of forcing fake positivity, ask yourself, would I say this to someone I love? If not, it doesn't deserve to dominate your thoughts. Try replacing it with an honest but kinder statement. I'm struggling right now, but I am still trying. This builds resilience over time. Step 6. Seek professional help. Therapists, counselors, and sometimes medication can be game changers. Seeking help is not weakness. It's the same as seeing a doctor for a physical illness. Cognitive behavioral therapy, mindfulness-based therapy, and other approaches teach practical skills for coping. If depression is severe, medication prescribed by a professional can help balance brain chemistry. You don't have to face this alone, and getting help can speed up recovery. Step 7. Build a supportive environment. The people and spaces around you matter. Surround yourself with those who uplift rather than drain you. Remove triggers when possible. Toxic social media, negative news, or draining obligations. Even simple routines like keeping your room tidy, setting small daily goals, or planning a call with a friend help create structure and safety for your mind. Step 8. Find meaningful activities. Depression often makes life feel empty. Finding small sources of joy or purpose can help. Hobbies you used to enjoy, listening to music, drawing, writing, or volunteering are all options. You don't need huge achievements. Even tiny moments of pleasure or purpose remind your brain there's life worth living. Remember, depression doesn't define you. It's a condition, not a reflection of your value. Recovery isn't instant, but tiny steps every day add up. Talk to someone. Take care of your body. Challenge negative thoughts. Seek help when needed. If you're struggling right now, you're not alone. You matter. Even if it's hard to see today, things can get better one small step at a time.